So just as I was approaching this highway here, a guy passed me on a touring bike going the other way. Just barely 50 meters before, so I pedaled on and joined him for a couple of 100 meters or so. He was from the Czech Republic and it was going up to the Lofoten Islands and then on to North Cape. It wasn't that talkative. He was from the Czech Republic and didn't speak that much English. I'm kind of halfway to the town of Älvsbyn now, where I plan to do a supermarket stop to pick up some breakfast, and then the plan is to head on out almost to the coast. Yeah, that's the plan for the upcoming hours here. I decided to eat my breakfast here at a rest stop by this little lake here. So I'll just pick up some lunch when I reach Älvsbyn instead. Gas stations are your friend on a bike tour. Here you find water for your water bottles, and can also have a kind of improvised shower here in the bathroom. So they're a great resource when you're out bike touring. Ice cream break at a bus stop. The nice thing about going bike touring is that you can eat as much ice cream as you want. Ever notice in my videos why there don't seem to be any cars around? Well, it's because it's basically like that all the time. Usually I get passed by car every 5 or 10 minutes or so. So if you're tired of riding along a bunch of cars, you should really consider coming to Sweden. Too bad I need to make another 25 kilometers for the day, otherwise this place would have been perfect. We got a bunch of tables here and a couple of bridges so you can walk over the stream here and have a look. But I'm gonna head on. I have looked out a spot that's about 25 kilometers from here, so I'm making a run for that one. The reason why I haven't filmed that much today is it's some sort of peak season for pollen. It's totally crazy. That plus it's windy today, so once you're cycling along you can see these clouds coming along right towards you, just filled with pollen. So some pollen seems to have gotten into my lens here, so I really don't want to whip the camera out if it's not necessary. So about that peak pollen season, just take a look at my pants, how they look. It's totally ridiculous. Swedish word of the day, rullskidor. Sweden's top cross-country team is from Piteå, that's about 10 kilometers from here. They have a really good skier called Charlotte Kalla, who is one of the best in the world. Perhaps that might have been her that passed by me. Didn't really have a chance to get a good look. This hill never seems to stop. I've been at it for 2 kilometers or so. Whew. Finally, 6 kilometers later, and I think I've reached the end of this little hill. Whew. I'm almost at 100 kilometers for the day, so I think I have 12 or so left to go to that nice camp spot I'm imagining in my head right now. And today I'm gonna have a Mexican feast. I have burritos and rice, sorry, beans and rice burritos, and I'm also gonna make some guacamole, so I'm really looking forward to that. Oh. Västerbotten! Finally here at the campsite after 110 kilometers today. Let's see if someone with sharp eyes recognized this campsite here. If you know where you've seen it before, you can leave a comment down in the comment section below. So since tonight is the last night on this tour, I'm celebrating with a Mexican feast. Tonight I'm going all in. We got some beans and rice, guacamole, cucumber, tortillas, and some salsa. This is gonna be really good. I'm done with that dinner. Today was a pretty hard day on the bike. The temperature got up to around 30 degrees or so, and there were hardly any clouds to shade me, so like last day I almost hit that famous wall midday here, but I struggled on, and I think I managed to cycle 110 kilometers until I got here. I'm now in a little village called Ålund, and as I said, tomorrow is the final day on this tour, and I think I got around 60 kilometers or so back to my home. I wanted to have a little shorter day tomorrow to be able to come home a bit earlier to the family and so on. So thanks for watching, everyone, and please subscribe if you haven't already to my channel if you like this kind of content, and until next time, have a good one.